You guys ready to go for a ride? Go hiking? And see your sissy? And Theo boy? Hi, Mom. Penny's ready. There's Theo boy. Oh, you're leaving a wee mail.
Oh.
He's leaving a wee mail too. Come on, Leo boy.
A wee mail?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Can he fit through there, Leo?
Come on, Leo boy.
Here he comes. Oh, maybe not.
All right, let's go, girls.
Oh.
Leo's catching up.
Yeah.
Leo's caught up. Come on, Theo boy. What's going on, Leo? Lead the way. Whew. Sadie can't stand when he gets ahead.
Don't worry, it'll come to a halt here in a second.
Sir sniffs a lot. Leo's on the rampage now. Come on, boys. The girls are leading the way. Beautiful summer day. Well, end of summer. Good sniffs?
He don't know you. He's at a shake.
Oh, you're gonna say?
Beautiful out. Here's where we saw those snakes. Oh, we're getting a drink? Well,
No, Theo.
I know, he's like, I want to do it.
you gonna get a drink, Leo? I want to do it just like they did. That water is perfect. What the hell? Okay. Theo's like, what are you guys doing? Come on, girls.
Did you need to cool off?
I always look out here and I expect to see like a dinosaur pop up out of the water.
A Loch Ness monster.
So pretty.
Is it?
Did they get ahead of you? Do we gotta catch up? What do you think, beautiful
You
mom?
gotta stop and smell the roses sometimes.
smell the roses?
And catch your breath.
Whoa! I get jerked down the road by a German Shepherd. Let's go see the view. Let's go see the. Oh! Pretty. We all know there's a big bass down there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I bet you the fish in there.
Oh,
are
let's do like a
incredible.
little.
Come on, Leo and Theo. Let's go. Walk the plank. Walk the plank, shepherds. Don't stop, Penny. It's not a good time. Good job, Sades. Hold on. Good job, Theo boy. Pretty. Sades knows that we usually let her go in the water right here. And that's when we get muddy. I don't know if we're gonna do it. Come on, get in the water. Go get wet. She's not gonna.
Hey. Come.
There you go. Look how deep the muck is. All right, Sades. Maybe that's not safe. Come on, Sades. Girls don't want to fall off this ledge. Oh, you got your camouflage. It's over. We made it.
We made it.
Leo made it. Look at your
How many
birds.
miles, Mom?
Look at your birds, Leo.
2.88 miles. Let's round
Mine
it to
says
3.
2.89.
Oh, Houston boy.
Oh, yeah, so does mine.
You know what? I never told Sadie's Peck that you guys got married.
Oh boy.
I'm a traitor. I'm a traitor.
Married.
Married. Leo, did you just pee on that rock?
Have a good rest of your day.
Look at this boy's birds.
We'll see you.
Leo.
Love ya. You got more.
Now we're home all tuckered out, sort of. Right, Pen Pen? We brushed you guys out, got all your burrs out. Now it's nap time. Except for these two. Bye-bye.